Tuesday, August 27th, 2024. Saint Monica. Focus. Woe to you, scribes and Pharisees, hypocrites. Strong language coming from gentle Jesus lists the 7 woes to the scribes and Pharisees, in which Jesus calls them not only hypocrites but also blind guides, whitewashed tombs, serpents, and brood of vipers. It is amusing to imagine the fury of the Pharisees as they smart under this verbal attack. But it is obvious that Jesus is not only angry at how these leaders were exploiting the people, he is also very sad. Then I wonder if Jesus would say the same to me today. Am I a hypocrite? Do I neglect the weightier matters of the law, justice and mercy and faith? Am I full of greed and self-indulgence? I go to Mass daily, but I pretend to be unaware of the social injustice and deem imprudent not to raise my voice. I do not want to trouble myself reaching out to the needy either. Someone else can do that. I spend lavishly in restaurants but hesitate to pay a fair wage to my maid. I look the other way when I see an elderly person in church or in the bus and I am seated comfortably. It does look like I am neglecting justice, mercy, and faithfulness, and being greedy and self-indulgent. A hypocrite, quite likely, Jesus must be disappointed. Fruit. Today, I will note down instances of hypocrisy in me and humbly resolve to change course.